Hey, welcome back to Collector's Conquest. Check this out. We got some amazing looking Gremlins mini figures here. We're going to open up 5 of these. But before we do that, I picked up some of these Funko Minis here. We got the Blacklight Stripe Five Below exclusive. So, man, these were just so cool. Love the Blacklight ones. I actually love all these, but I may eventually go back and get the rest of them, but I had to get the 3D glasses Blacklight stripe. So let's check this out under the Blacklight.
Man, I love this one with the 3D glasses and the soda. And the Blacklight looks super cool.
Awesome. I got another one here. I got the Gizmo, the Rambo Gizmo here. And this one is Blacklight also. So definitely wanted to get those in case they sold out. But let's check out Gizmo under the Blacklight.
Look at how awesome Gizmo looks with the Blacklight. Super cool.
Pretty awesome. All right, now let's get down to the fun, awesome Gremlins mini figures here. And as you can see, there's some awesome pulls in this thing. And the one I want the most is going to be this stripe with chainsaw. I'm hoping to get that one the most. But, I mean, I pretty much want all of them. So, I don't have 6 of these, but all I could find was 5, and I hope I get all different ones. So we got Gizmo, stripe with chainsaw, Gizmo with 3D glasses, Gremlin with 3D glasses, Gizmo in his box, and then we got the trench coat Gremlin glow in the dark. All right, so let's start opening these. As you can see a little bit closer there. Gremlins mini figures, collect 7. So there's actually 7. Which one are we not seeing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one? There must be another special. That's pretty cool. It's like the box that Gizmo's in. All right, let's rip this one open. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got Gizmo. Awesome. Looks like it had some little popcorn buckets with it that flew out. So we got Gizmo here. Check that out. Man, Gizmo looking super cool. So we'll put Gizmo right there. And then it came with this little popcorn bucket that shows all the figures. There's not 7 here either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I don't know about the 7 on the side there. Man, that is a cool little insert there. All right, let's go for another one. You gotta get that chainsaw. Three, 2, boom! Ooh, we got Gizmo in his chest. Is that what it was called? In his box. So we don't have any stripe or any Gremlins so far. Man, this is a solid fill-in figure. Definitely got weight to it. Amazing quality on this thing. That is cool. So we got 2 Gizmos so far. Let's get us a Gremlin. Number 3. 3, 2, boom. Oh, we got another Gizmo in his box. I think when I bought these, I noticed a couple of them felt heavy. So hopefully it was only 2 of them. Otherwise, we're going to have a whole bunch of Gizmo in boxes. This one kind of feels heavy too. Alright. Let's see what we got. 3, 2, boom. Oh, heck yeah. We still don't have a... There's something in this one. Oh. There's just a little piece of cardboard in all of them. We still don't have a Gremlin yet, but we got 3 different Gizmos. This is definitely my favorite Gizmo with the 3D glasses. That is so cool. Alright, last one. These are so awesome. If I find some more of these, I'm getting them. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, boom! Oh, what the heck? How's there no Gremlins in this set? Anyways, we got some really cool ones here. We got the regular Gizmo. We got the 3D glasses Gizmo. We got the Gizmo in the box. So let me know what your favorite one out of those 3 are. And if you want, what's your favorite one out of all 6 of those? Alright. I mean, I had an awesome time opening these up. Hopefully I can find some more and do a part 2 on these, because these things are so cool. I mean, these are almost like mystery minis, but they're not put out by Funko. They're put out by Head Start. So definitely cool. This is Collector's Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. Also check out the channel membership. You can click the join button on YouTube, or if you want to sign up through Venmo, just email me collectorsconquest@gmail.com, or hit me up on Instagram at collectorsconquest. Either way, you get a swag item once a month, usually a postcard or a sticker. Every single week you get a members only exclusive video, and you get your name after the video, just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest town membership. So many exclusives, don't want to miss.
Check out Pophouse with Animal. Its collection and drive is unmatchable. If trading cards and toys are your thing, you know every day he's gonna bring.
Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She roars with the mic there, all looking back. Pterodactyl grit, T-Rex attack, taking no prisoners. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Check out T-Man, YouTube channel. His super tunes toy Spike always in a battle. Beanie T's video games are so cool. If you're into awesome stuff, this guy rules.
Check out, I'm saying, she got so much stuff to say. I'm saying, crazy thing, rock the roll is what she brings.
Just can't match. Also my own Wienermobile, judge a big fuse, so watch this channel for real.
out Sassy Cajun. Her channel is an unboxing sensation. Fun Scooby, check out her collection. She rips squares with utter perfection.
Check out Cheryl's Collector's Galaxy. Our Disney collection looks like a gallery. Lounge, Flying Grogu, and don't forget Stitch. She shows so many awesome things, you'll never wanna switch.
Check out KeeTons Of Fun. Where goes the Funko Sodas? They're number one. Be a chase, say enough 3 times. When you hear the intro, you know it's showtime.
Check out 2 boys and their scary pops. On each side of their scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghost face slashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise.
Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new Ninja Turtle makes them ecstatic. Puppet Master and Killer Clowns, handmade by robots, he's always hunting down.
Check out Mary Poppins Pops. The stray dog shows all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Whoa, whoa, that is what your dog road chance.
Collectors Conquest channel membership. So many exclusives you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collector's Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also, you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers. We got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.